Hey guys, today is November the 12th of 2013. I want to go over the Euro. It's 8 o'clock Central Time. The US session is going to start in 30 minutes. And it looks like the Euro is getting a little bounce here. It's 34.41. This hasn't updated. I put the last close around like 32.25 around there. So this is probably higher. Um, but anyway, I wanted to show you that depending on the close, we're still on a downtrend. But it looks like it's probably setting up for an A, B, C pattern and then to push lower, but we'll see. But the Gann bar is telling us that it's still, trending lower until I guess we get a close, and then we see if it gets like this, like here. Um, also want to show you that these are the stops. These are where all the stops are at. Not all of them, but the majority of them. And then these are your stops from pivot long low if you're long. So if you're long, this is where your stops should be. I would recommend. And these are your stops in this area, trailing them down depending on, and everybody else is probably kind of piled up in that area. All right, so let's see what we got. Retracement wise, we're already at 34.41, so we're already blue through the 75% right here, so that's good. We're above 34.29, which is a 75% from that swing. You got to watch out for this level right here, that 35.63, where we get up there. Next level to watch out is the 34.68, which we're probably going to be heading there now. That's your next 50% level from this swing low to this swing high. Always got to keep your eye on the 50%. And I think that's it. And the 25 is up on the 50. So this is a really strong level. That 35.63 is a 50% and a 25% from different swing points. So that's a good vibration level. If it blows to this 50, you keep eye on that. So let's all close all this. And I want to show you Andrew's pitchfork, right? We probably could be getting up there too. And that angle is roughly around 35.08, depending on what day it hits it. I want to show you a trend line. I always miss this one. That one right there. Oops. I should delete this one. I don't know if we're gonna get up there again. All right, so you see that trend line right here? There's a 50% somewhere. That could be a nice little area for potential short. That little area. There's a lot of levels and clusters right there. 50 angle. The back tested from the bottom, and it fails it. And it hits this pivot 50. So you got like two angles that are really strong. You got the trend line and the Andrews. And if it fails it and try to test it again and it fails it, this thing could like already set up the A, B pattern right there. So we'll see. I don't know if there's anything else. No, I think that's it. See, I'm back to like I'm using these things like this. I think that's it. Swing long, 35, 56, 65. Yeah, nothing really there. Let's just wanted to show you that. And then the dates I have, there's nothing today. There is a low on the 7th, 8th. There's a cluster right here. The next date, to watch out will probably be the 18th. But this week right here, I have a lot of dates. The 11th, 12th, and 13th. So it looks like it's just turning here, and it's going higher. It's at 34.45. So the dollar's selling. I'm sure gold is going to probably start getting a pop. So it'll be interesting to see how it all plays out. What else? Let's go to angles right here. All right, so this is real time. As a level you need to watch out is at 34.44. This is the 1x1 grid line. So this is a strong line right there. If we could get above there, it's going to test that 50, which is at 35.09. But this is going to be a strong resistance level right there, let me tell you. That 1 by 1, you know, if it's going to hold, it's going to hold. I covered my long at 34.24, so I'm out. I wish I could have stood longer, but I wanted to lock in profit. I didn't think it was going to go that high, but that's where it's at right now. That angle right there is 34.44, and that's where we at right now. Now that's the key. It's good that I'm recording this live. Hopefully the video is not screwed up. That's a key level. You get above that angle, and you know, test it from the bottom. You know, fractal levels, 5, 1 hour, whatever, and then bounce higher. You're gonna go higher. You're already taking out this, and you're, well, actually, you got this pivot high too, 34.52. You got to keep an eye on. If you could take that out also, you could probably even go higher. So that's one level, you know, you want to keep an eye on. You want to put at least maybe a price level or something there, and then keep that there. So that looks like a lot of wall of resistance. So we'll leave that one there. Let's glance this chart and see if there's other levels we can see there. So this is the daily, and it looks like right here. Oh, there's more resistance here. You're just hitting the bottom of the this swing low right here. So this could be a lot of resistance. You know, I mean, if you're really risky, you can either short it from there or from the top of this cloud if it gets up here, 34.63. Let me anyway, yeah, you can see that your dollar's getting strength here. The pound is going down. That's going down. I don't trade these two, but USD is a little not that bad. Not that bad. Swissy, yeah. But the DOS, you know, the euro is getting good some strength compared to. Let's close this so we get more real estate. So yeah, so this is where you're at right now, and this is your resistance is at 34.40 right here from this pivot low. So that's interesting too. And you're kissing this moving average right here on the daily, so that's resistance also. And you have right here from the Kumo cloud, you got resistance right there. So there's a lot of resistance right there. Let me look at the my grid here. This is WD Gann stuff. 32.95, 30, 34. So that was the low, by the way, of the 7th. 34.40. Yeah, it's right here, and it's at 34.41. Yeah, 34.42. That's resistance. 34.37. So it's kind of like around right here. Let's see the 100. Oh yeah, look at that. 34.44, major resistance right here. You blew all through all this right here. You're kind of hovering around here in this area. 34.39. So you're in that area. So that's resistance. The master chart. 34. Is it 30, 38, 39? Yeah, 34. Kind of in the middle. You're by the 90 degree right here. The 135. So it's 34.47. Pretty interesting. Square of 12. 34. 439. 44. Oh yeah, look at that angle right there. Resistance. There's a lot of confirmation on this 34.44 square of 12. Pretty interesting. Anyway, I don't want to bore you with some boring stuff. Let's look at the big picture. That kind of gives us an idea of what's happening. If there's any action, it's probably going to be on the 12-hour. We got a PPS buy signal, but you're still below the 20. TMA's still negative. This is kind of giving you the green light, heads up that, you know, the trend maybe is possibly changing. But, you know, you got a snapback set up. Look at that wide that spread is. So this could be a head fake and then squeeze everybody down. You got divergence to the upside, and you slowly turn. So I don't know. I don't know if I will go long here. Yeah, I don't know if I'll go long here. This hasn't even given you a positive signal. This is down on the weekly, kind of giving you a heads that they could possibly turn, but you know, you're still negative here. You're all red here, so too risky to do it, if you ask me. But that's about it. But it's interesting. I don't know. This could be a good possible short from here, but we'll see. Hope this helped you, and good trading today, man. Make some pips, and I'll see you again next time.